Okay, I just realized there's one other thing I forgot. I should have actually, I should do the video over, but whatever, I'll just do it like this. Something else I can do in this foot control here is I'm just going to add another attribute, because it's sometimes handy to have, and I call this one toe wiggle. And I'm going to have the minimum value sitting at -10, default value, or maximum value 10, and default sitting at 0. I'm going to hit OK. So now I got another one of these things on here. Great. And then what I'm going to do is let's do that set-driven key again. And this time around I'm just going to grab the ball IK, and if I go in here to animate set-driven key and I open up set, you'll see that it loads up as a driven right away. It's going to be a rotate X value. I'm just going to grab the foot control, and I'm going to go in here and hit load driver. There's toe wiggle right there. And so now I can just go in and set this all up really fast on here. And so default value is 0 is on. Okay, great. I'm going to hit key. Now I'm going to go and do something like take toe wiggle, put it at a value of 10, take the ball IK. If I just go and click on it, I can select it here. I'm going to go up. I'll key it. Take this, take the toe wiggle, go down to a value of -10, hit ball IK, and I'm just going to rotate it down like this. And I go and I hit the key button, and kaboom, I'm done. And there's my toe wiggle going from -10 to 10. If I put this on so you can see it better, woo! Okay, and I can go and zero that out, doop, doop, and take the foot roll. Whoop, whoop. Okay, great. And I'll zero that one out too. And if I want to do a little quick cheat too, I can just go in here and grab this thing, and if I grab this little foot control here, when I'm setting up the other leg, I can go and take this and go Control D. So I duplicated it. I'm just going to go in here and snap it over here. The shape's a little bit funny, so I'm just going to take the scale tool and hold down J and do something like that. And I'm going to freeze the transformations, kill the history. And all this stuff in here, I really wish I could keep it, but I can't. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. Boop. Okay, and I'm going to do this other foot over really fast, and I'm not going to do the set-driven key. I'll let you do that on your own. Just going to go in here and use the IK handle tool, put one from here to here, and just going to hit G, and I'm going to put one from here to here, G, and I'm going to put one from here to here, and it'd be really great to name those quickly. Let's see how fast I can do this again. Ball, IK, boop, toe, IK. And this one here, we'll call that ankle IK. Done. And parent the toe IK to the ball IK. Take the ankle IK, and I'm just going to group it, Control G, and I'm going to hold down D and V and snap it down over to here to the balls of the feet. And we're going to call that one heel lift. Great. And I'm going to take this, I'm going to hit Control G again, and I'm going to hold down D and V and middle click and snap it here. And that one there is going to be called toe. Yerp. You'll see that after you do this a few times, it all turns into autopilot. I can do this really, really fast with my eyes closed almost. This one here, that toe group, I'm just going to go in, Control G, and I made a new group. And I'm just going to hold down D and V, and I'm going to middle click, snap it over here to the heel. And this one here is called the heel group. And remember, I've got more sophisticated tricks for this that I will show you at a later point, because this just gets you by. Just take the ball IK, and I'm going to parent that to the toe group, and that's done. And I'm going to take this and middle click, snap it over to here, or middle click, drag and drop onto the foot control, and now they're all parented. Okay, and if I grab the upper body and I just start moving it around, the feet are going to be stuck on the ground, and the head's not bound yet. Okay, I can do all the set-driven keys and hook it all up. I might want to change some of the names in here, so I'm just going to grab the foot control, do a modify, prefix hierarchy names, and give myself a big old capital L. And I'm just going to go in here and grab this thing and hit G and put that at capital R. And boop, boop, done. Okay, and we're at 4-minute mark. I'm just going to stop this one here, and I'll do more shortly. I think I'm going to go to the head blend shapes next.